it's Shelley from La Tida Sports, and I want to share with you today our long sleeve pullover and give you a few little tips on how this is different than what you might see out there. First off is that the front pockets are actually a kangaroo pouch, so you can actually touch your hands inside there, and it's all kind of stitched into the bottom so the pocket isn't going to fall out below. The sleeves do have the little thumb holes in them as well, so you can wear them that way if it gets a little colder. And it's got a little extra height on the collar as well. It's a 2.5-inch collar and a 9-inch zip neck, so you can zip that up if it gets extra cold out there. And there's a little protector here as well so that the zipper doesn't bother your neck. And it's really stretchy, but the fit on this particular piece is going to be a little looser. You'll notice that the sleeves are a little looser than our jacket. And so if you like something a little looser fitting, this pullover is probably going to be perfect for you. We hope you love it. You can find it at latida.com. That's LAATEEDA.com.